Hello all, my name is Vaishnavi Cheera. I'm a student at 360DigiTMG. I'm currently doing my business analytics and data science course. I have had a privilege to do a field visit with Mr. Barani Kumar, the CEO of 360DigiTMG, to Biological E Limited, and I must say that it was a great experience. We have had practical knowledge about the entire company. We have, got to know how the plant and manufacturing unit of the Biological E Limited works, how medicine, is manufactured, and a lot more about the entire company. So I would like to thank 360 DigiTMG and Mr. Barani Kumar for this wonderful opportunity because it provided us not only theoretical knowledge but also a practical and hands-on experience on how to actually automate a process. So thank you so much.